friends, let's see how to make healthy quinoa recipe. First of all, on the previous night, take some beans and then soak them. Here I'm using a different kind of beans, whichever I have. You can use whichever beans you have. Then chop some vegetables, onion, ginger, garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste, and then green chili. I'm doing it in instant pot, so keep the instant pot in saute mode and then add some oil. Then add jeera, add mustard seeds, add the chopped ginger garlic or the ginger garlic paste. Then add the chopped onions and fry for about a minute or 2 minutes. Then add the green chili. Here I am using only one, you can use as many as you want. Then add the chopped vegetables and then fry for about 2 minutes. And then add the beans you soaked overnight. Mix all these well and then add salt to it. Then add some turmeric powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder to it. Mix well. Then add peanuts if you would like. Then add the quinoa. Measure the quinoa and add it. Here I am using 1 cup quinoa. And then for 1 cup quinoa I am adding 2 cups of water. Then close the lid and then keep it for sealing position as shown like this. Then cancel the saute mode and then click on the pressure cook. Pressure cook for about 4 minutes on high pressure. Once done, release the pressure by moving the valve to the venting position. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and your quinoa is ready to be served. Serve this quinoa with any chutney or ketchup or sauce, whichever you like. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.